Hi everyone, it's Kevin here. Those of you that recognise me probably know me as the fat unicyclist, and those that met me in LA probably remember me being taller. I am still taller. Right now I'm just kneeling though because this is a different sort of unboxing. Personally, I don't really like unboxing videos. I mean, it's great to see one, but once one's been done, do I need to see another 50? Possibly not. But I'm making the exception because I haven't seen one for this particular model. Now, the more astute amongst you may notice that this is not possibly an electric unicycle. It is in fact an electric scooter, a Kingsong N1D. It's a brand new model, and it's right up there with some of the Dualtron scooters. So I know on the scooter thread there's a few people who are interested to see what it is. So let's have a look and see what it is. Now, you may also notice the box is already opened. With this shipment there was a few issues with some of the packaging, so we just had to check a few things out. But let's see what we have. Right, fairly standard. We have a charger with the correct New Zealand plug, thank you, Kingsong. We have the typical instruction manual, and we have a scooter that you can't see yet. Now, just to let everyone know what this is, we've got some details here. Right, so the Kingsong N1D, this has 11-inch tyres with a top speed of up to 70 kilometres an hour, which is about 44 miles an hour. Range of about 100 kilometres or 60 miles, possibly not when I'm riding it, but we will see. It's a 60 volt machine and has 2,000 watt motors in it. And the weight of it is around 38 kilos, which would be 84 pounds, give or take. So with this unit you get one scooter, one charger, one user manual. So let's have a look at the scooter since we've seen the rest of it. Right, this will be interesting. Bear with me a moment. Right, so this is it, I guess. First thoughts, it's similar to the smaller N1B. Folding handlebars. This has got uprated suspension by the looks of it, quite understandably. And, well, let's have a look. Now, it's possibly a bit hard to see, and I do apologise, this is obviously larger than we'd normally be doing with a unicycle. So let's first of all look at the handlebars. These are obviously folded in, but simply lock open like this. And there we have it. Now, it's a bit hard to move this around, so let's do some close-ups and show you what I notice is the interesting bits.